Hello friends, in the previous lecture we have studied the Hungarian method to find the solution of assignment problem. Today we are going to study special case, that is assignment problems with multiple optimal solutions. When there are two or more ways to strike off the zeros in the reduced matrix, multiple or alternate optimal solution exists to the assignment problem. Consider example to get the idea. So, solve the following assignment problem. There are 5 main A, B, C, D, E, and there are 5 jobs: first, second, third, fourth and fifth. The cost is given 3, 9, 2, 3, 7, 6, 1, 5, 6, 6, 9, 4, 7, 10, 3, 2, 5, 4, 2, 1 and 9, 6, 2, 4, 6. So, we want to assign the main to the jobs. This is minimization type of problem. So, by Hungarian method, we will firstly reduce the matrix such that each row and each column contains at least one zero. For that, we subtract the smallest entry from every row, and therefore in the first row, so what is the first reduced matrix? The first reduced matrix is subtract 2 because 2 is smallest, so it remains 1, 7, 0, 1, 5. Second row, smallest is 1, so subtracting 1 we get 5, 0, 4, 5, 5. Smallest is 3, so subtracting 3 from the third row we remains with 6, 1, 4, 7, 0. Minimum is 1 in the fourth row, so subtract 1, 1, 4, 3, 1, 0, and minimum is 2 in the last row, subtracting 2 we get 7, 4, 0, 2, 4. So, each row now contains 0. Now, repeat the procedure for columns so that every column also contains at least one 0. For that, we subtract the smallest element of that column from every element of that column again. So, the next reduced matrix is In the first column, smallest is 1, so subtract 1, remains with 0, 4, 5, 0, 6. Smallest is 0, so the second column remains as it is. In the third column, smallest is 0, so it remains as it is, 0, 4, 4, 3, 0. The smallest is 1, so subtract 1 from the fourth column, we get 0, 4, 6, 0, 1 and subtract 0 as 0 is the smallest, so the fifth column remains as it is. Now each row and each column contains at least one 0. So search for a single 0. Observe that single 0 appears in second row, so box that 0. Similarly, single 0 appears in the last row, so box that 0. Box this, we have to strike off the remaining zeros in that column, or so this is strike off. Now observe that this is single 0 for the third row. We get single 0 in the third row. So cross out the remaining. Now there are 4 0 and there is no single 0. Means that multiple solution exist, because now there is not remaining a single 0 in this column or in this column. So we can box any one 0. Suppose we box this 0, we have to strike off the remaining and then we get single 0 here. So this is the number of assigned zeros is equal to 5 is equal to order of the matrix, means that this is optimal assignment. So see what is the optimal assignment. The optimal assignment comes to be A is assigned to 1, B is assigned to 2, C is assigned to 5th, D is assigned to 4th and E is assigned to 3rd. And see the optimal cost. The cost is equal to, for the first, the corresponding cost is 3, for second 1 plus, for third 3 plus, for the fourth the cost is 2 and plus, for the again 2. 4 plus 3 7, 11. So the cost is 11 rupees. Now see, we say that optimal solution exists. So to find the alternate solution, so we will find the multiple or alternate solution, and what is it? So consider the same table again. So consider this matrix as it is and we will do another assignment. 0 7 0 0 5, 4 0 4 4 5, 5 1 4 6 0, 0 4 3 0 0 and 6 4 0 1 4. Firstly, we see single 0. Single 0 in the second row, so box that. Single 0 in the third row, box that, cross out the remaining. Single 0 in the last row, box that, cross out the remaining. Now observe, last time we have selected this one and cross out this. Now I will select this one. We can select any one, so select this one, cross out the remaining. And now the single 0 is here. So this is the alternate optimal solution. See what is the optimal solution in this case. The solution here is A is assigned to 4th, B is assigned to 2nd, C is assigned to 5th, D is assigned to 1 and E is assigned to 3. And see the cost for that. For 4th, the cost is 3 plus, for 2nd 1, for fifth 3, for first 2, and for third it is 2. That is 11 rupees, that is the cost. So observe that there are alternate solution because we are able to strike off any 0 in this case. So 2 or more 0 are there which can be strike off, means that alternate solution exists. Consider one more example. So solve the following assignment model. There are 4 workers, W1, W2, W3 and W4, and there are 4 jobs, J1, J2, J3, J4. The problem is 5, 3, 2, 8, 7, 9, 2, 6, 6, 4, 5, 7 and 5, 7, 7, 8. So the workers we want to assign to jobs so that the cost will be minimized. So by Hungarian, what we will do, because the matrix is square matrix, we are directly able to start. In every row and in every column, we require at least 1 0. So from each row, we select the smallest element and subtract it from every element of that row. So in the first step, the reduced matrix obtained by subtracting the smallest element from each row is. In the first row, subtract 2, so remains 3, 1, 0, 6. Second row, smallest is 2, so remains 5, 7, 0, 4. Smallest is 4, so subtracting 4, 2, 0, 1, 3. And here the smallest is 5, so 0, 2, 2, 3. Now each column should contain 0, only last column remains, so subtract the smallest entry of the last column from all elements of that column. The next reduced matrix is 3, 5, 2, 0, as the column itself contains 0, 1, 7, 0, 2, 0, 0, 1, 2, and because we are subtracting 3, remains 3, 1, 0, 0. Observe that every row and every column contains at least 1 0. Now search for single 0. Single 0 appears in the first row, so box that, cross out the others. Again single 0 is in the second column, so box that, cross the remaining. Single 0 in the first column, so box that, cross the remaining. But the number of assigned zeros are 3 only and the order of the matrix is 4. So this is not optimal assignment. So go to next step. We want to draw minimum number of lines which are vertical and horizontal, and that will cover all the zeros. For that, we mark the row where assignment is not done. In this row, assignment is not done. In that mark row where 0 appears, that column, and in that marked column where assigned 0 appears, that row. Unmarked rows and marked column, draw the lines. So this is the next matrix. In this now, see the uncovered elements, and from the uncovered element, select the smallest entry, subtract it from all uncovered element and add at intersection point. So we get next matrix. So we are subtracting 1 from all uncovered element and adding 1 at the intersection point. Subtract 1. So 2, 0, 0, 2. Subtracting 1, 4, 6, 0, 0, 2, 0. This is intersection point. So add 1, 2, 0 and 0, 2. Intersection point, add 1, 0. Each row and each column contains 0. So now we are able to do the assignment. The first column contains single 0, so box it, cross the other. Next, see that every row and every column, now it contains 2 zeros. There is no single 0 in any row or any column, means that multiple assignment exist. So suppose I box this one, means that cross the remaining. Now this row contains single 0, so box this single 0, cross the remaining and then box the single 0. So number of assigned zeros are 4. So this is optimal assignment. And what is optimal assignment in this example? W1 is assigned to J2, W2 is assigned to J3, W3 assigned to J4 and W4 assigned to J1. And what is the optimal cost? For J2 it is 3 plus J3 it is 2 plus for J4 it is 7 and for J1 it is 5. So the total cost comes to be 17 rupees. So the cost is equal to 17 rupees. Now see, we are saying that optimal assignment exists which is multiple. So we will find the alternate solution. Alternate solution exists. So find that alternate solution. I am considering again the same matrix. 2 0 0 2, 4 6 0 0, 2 0 2 0 and 0 2 3 0. Search for single 0 in first column, so box that, cross the remaining. Now there is no single 0 in any row or any column. So we can select any one. Observe, last time we have crossed this. Now suppose I will box this. So the others get crossed out. Because we box this gets crossed out. Now search for single 0 again. Single 0 in this. So box this, cross the other and single 0 here, box this. So this is alternate assignment. So what is optimal assignment? The second optimal assignment is W1 is assigned to J3, W2 to J4, W3 to J2 and W4 to J1. And see the cost. For J3 it is 2 plus J4 6 plus J2 4 plus for J1 5. The total again comes to be 17. So the cost comes to be 17 rupees. Observe that because we are able to strike off the 0 in again another way, there are more multiple solutions for this problem. So now here also there are two possibilities. So one can select any one and find the alternate optimal solution. Consider next example, example 3. Solve the following assignment model. There are 5 persons, P1, P2, P3, P4, P5 and 5 jobs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The cost is given 2, 9, 2, 7, 1, 6, 8, 7, 6, 1, 4, 6, 5, 3, 1, 4, 2, 7, 3, 1 and 5, 3, 9, 5, 1. So observe that these 5 persons we want to assign to these 5 jobs. So because the matrix is square matrix, we are start directly using Hungarian method. In the first step, we want to find the smallest element from each row or each column, subtract it from the corresponding total row or column so that each row and each column contains at least one 0. So consider the first step. Because it is square matrix, we are able to start. So the reduced matrix obtained by subtracting the smallest element of every row from that row, we get the first matrix. First row has smallest 1, so subtract 1, remains 1, 8, 1, 6, 0. Every row has smallest 1, so subtract 1 from every row, 5, 7, 6, 5, 0, 3, 5, 4, 2, 0, 3, 1, 6, 2, 0 and 4, 2, 8, 4, 0. Now each column should contain 0. So the next reduced matrix is from each column we are subtracting the smallest. From first column the smallest is 1. So subtracting 1 remains 0, 4, 2, 2, 3. Second column smallest is 1. So subtract 1, 7, 6, 4, 0, 1. Smallest is 1 in the third column. So subtract 1, 0, 5, 3, 5, 7. Smallest is 2 in the next column. So subtract 2, 4, 3, 0, 0, 2 and the last column is totally 0. Observe that each row and each column contains 0. So search for single 0. The first column contains single 0. So box it, cross out the remaining. The second row contains single 0. So box it, cross out the remaining in the same column or same row. Third row contains single 0. So box it, cross out the remaining. And fourth row contains single 0. Observe that number of zeros assigned are only 4 and the order of the matrix is 5. So this is not optimal assignment. So the next step is the row which do not contain assignment, mark that row. In that row where 0 appears, mark that, and in that mark 0 where assigned 0 appears, mark this. Unmarked rows and marked column. This will give us minimum number of lines that will cover all zeros. Now, from the remaining uncovered elements, see the smallest element, it is 1, and therefore subtract 1 from every uncovered element and add 1 at the intersection point. We get the next matrix. So 0, 7, 0, 4, 1, 3, 5, 4, 2, 0, 2, 4, 3, 0, 1, 2, 0, 5, 0, 1, subtract 1, 2, 0, 6, 1, 0. Each row has 0, similarly each column has 0. So now choose single 0. Observe that in the first column single 0. So box it, cross out the other. Second row has single 0. So box it, cross the remaining. Third row has single 0. Box it, cross the other. Fourth row has single 0. Box it, cross the other. Now, number of assigned zeros are 4 only, and therefore it is not optimal again. So the row which do not has assignment, mark it. In that row where 0 appear, now observe that there are 2 columns where 0 appear. We will firstly start with this column and then this. So in this column where assigned 0 appears, assigned 0 is here, so mark this. In that mark row again where 0 appears, that is this column, and in this column where assigned 0 appears, that is this row. So the first circle gets completed. Now consider the second where you have 0. In that where assigned 0 appears, that is this row, and therefore unmarked rows and marked column. These are the minimum number of lines that cover all zeros. Now from the uncovered element, select the smallest. The smallest is 2. You have to subtract 2 from the uncovered element and add 2 at the intersection point. We get the next matrix. So the next matrix comes to be 0, 9, 0, 6. We are adding 2 at the intersection point. So at the intersection point means this 9, 4 plus 2, 6, and 1 plus 2, 3. Here we are subtracting 2. So remains 1, 5, subtracting 2 remains 2, 2, 0. Subtract 2 from here becomes 0, 4, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 3, 0, 1, 0, 0, 4, 1, 0. Each row and each column contains 0. So now search for single 0. Single 0 is in third column. So box that. Cross out the remaining. Now single 0 is in the second row. So box that. Cross out the remaining. Single 0. Now there is no single 0 in any row or any column, means that multiple assignment is possible. So select any one. Suppose I will select this one. In that case, we have to cross out the remaining. Now this column contains single 0. So box that, cross out the remaining, and this column contains single 0. So see the optimal number of assignments are 5 now. So what is the optimal assignment? The optimal assignment in this case is P1 is assigned to 3, P2 to 5, P3 to first, P4 to fourth, and P5 to second. The cost comes to be, for third it is 2, for fifth 1, for first 4, for fourth 3 1, and for second the cost is 3. The total is 13. So the cost comes to be 13 rupees. Now see, multiple solution exist. So we will find the alternate solution as the number of ways to strike off the zeros are more. So alternate solution exists. To find the alternate solution, I will consider this same matrix and find the alternate solution. 0 9 0 6 3 1 5 2 2 0 0 4 1 0 1 0 0 3 0 1 and 0 0 4 1 0. Search for single zero in the third column. In the second row, cross out this. Now there is no single zero, so we can have any one box. Observe, last time we have done this one in this row. Now instead of that, I will do this one and cross out this. When you do this one, you have to cross the remaining in that row and that column. Now again there are alternate solution. See, last time you have selected this. Now I will select this one so that this will cross out. And this will be. Observe that number of assigned zeros is 5, that is equal to order of the matrix. So this is alternate solution. So what is optimal assignment here? P1 is assigned to 3, P2 is assigned to 5th, P3 is assigned to 4th, P4 is assigned to 1st, and P5 is assigned to 2nd. And what is the cost? For 3rd 2, for 5th 1, for 4th 3, for 1st 4, and for 2nd 3. The total cost comes to be 13. So in this case again, the cost remains same, only the optimal solution, that is assignment, get altered. So we have seen when there are more than 2 ways or 2 ways to cross out the zeros in the reduced matrix, in that assignment problem, alternate solution exists. In the next lecture, we will see maximization case. Thank you.